Driving through terrific storms, task forces of the Pacific Fleet roam the seas about Japan's homeland, steadily cutting down her remaining power to wage war. Sure of their superior strength, carrier forces boldly attack Tokyo and run down Jap convoys along the sea route between Nipponese supply bases and enemy troops in Borneo, Singapore, and other isolated garrisons. It's dirty going in these winter gales, but through storm or calm, they're out to cut the enemy's lifeline. Planes warm up for a hazardous takeoff through wind and rain. Over the target, they go in for the kill. But the main target is Tokyo itself. Here the supply lifeline is cut at its source. Planes from Admiral Mitcher's famous Task Force 58 conquer fighter plane opposition. Navy and Marine pilots in 3 days destroy 817 Jap planes. We lost but 9 fighters. Navy combat cameramen filmed these dramatic scenes of the attack on the heart of Japan. A strike that first hit Tokyo in the early morning hours when her armament plants were buzzing with industry. This is what the boys call the Mitcher Shampoo. A huge aluminum plant is the next customer to get the hot towel. Daring attacks such as this cut off Jap reinforcements to Iwo Jima and cripple Japan's entire war industry. Foot by foot is the bitter and bloody story of the advance on Iwo Jima, whose 8 square miles cost 4,100 American lives and total casualties of 20,000, half as many as all previous Marine operations in the Pacific combined. These Americans bought with their lives a vital stepping stone to Tokyo. Navy and Marine Corps pictures show alligators grinding their way forward for the first assault on Mount Suribachi, whose guns command most of the island. Its capture is vital, and Navy planes roar into the attack. Hundreds of carrier planes take part in this softening up bombardment. Marines dig in for the big push up the mountain behind a curtain of dive bombing. Big guns of the fleet offshore join the pulverizing barrage. On shore, howitzers hammer the Japs holed up in Suribachi's countless caves. The summit of Suribachi is now in range of concentrated land fire. The slow, agonizing crawl begins under merciless Jap fire, and pockets must be cleaned out with grenades. 22,000 Japs died in the fanatical defense of Iwo against Marine courage that would not be denied. Few prisoners were taken in the 27-day struggle. Literally thousands of foxholes and pillboxes had to be taken before Iwo was ours.
The fortifications of the Jap bastion make even more incredible the epic of marine achievement. But take it they did, to their everlasting glory. The blood-soaked volcanic ash will live forever as their monument.